Sirosombgi gina makoro mio thoth jopuonjre weyo school.
On Monday, 23rd of September 2025, all TVET institutions will be shut down nationwide. That will be a day of peaceful protest against this injustice. We call on our university brothers and sisters to stand in solidarity. Your voice was heard when you fought for funding. Stand with us now. An injustice to one is an injustice to all.
Last year, tulienda pale Jugo House tukiandamana. Wakatuahidi kwamba pesa yetu itapatikana. Lakini cha kushangaza ni kwamba pesa yenye ilipatikana pale kwa mashule na sio zote ilikuwa 60%. Licha ya kuwa watu wa university walipewa yote. That is 2023-2024 academic year.
Kwa nyumbani tukiangalia wazazi pia hawana. Nina wadogo wangu pia ambao wako shule. Muda mwingine hata nikitamani nipige simu nyumbani naona ila tu niache sababu nyumbani pia hawana. Wazazi wanafanya vibarua ndogo ndogo.
Hakayorno mar bero sekta malimbe kod medo kwandwelo malimo county ma Siaya. Piny owacho mamalo koro singo mar bero kar ywayo welo mar hembko mane hoike mane en jatend piny mokwongo Jaramogi Oginga Odinga mayudre pare makango mano ka jaromo gweng' manyamire county no ma Siaya. Kolose kinde limbe mar rango chal maremko no jagoro mongere weche mag limbe pacho ka Umri Bashir wacho ni karemko no oting'o historia maduong' mar piny Kenya kendo nyaka koro lose e rang'iny mowinjore mar medo ywayo kwand welo mabiro neno kama thuon ma Jaramogi ywe. Bashir wacho ni medo bero kar ywayo welo no biro medo kwand omenda ma piny Kenya yudo sekta malimbe kendo bero chumi e county no ma Siaya.
We safeguard all our heritage and our history as a country. Jaramogi Oginga is a renowned legend when it comes to Kenyan politics, when it comes to Kenyan history. So the fact that we want to open up this side of Kenya on matters tourism